Morning, gorgeous.
Carter's face was so close. I just needed to reach out a little further to kiss him when images of Aiden raced through my mind. Oh my god, Aiden! Get away from me! Ah!
Jesus! You hit your face on the floor. Stay still, I'm gonna get the first aid kit.
No, just leave me the hell alone.
Like I'm just gonna leave you here covered in blood? Despite everything that happened to us, I obviously still care about you. I'm not going anywhere, whether you like it or not.
My mouth fell open at his little speech, but I didn't say another word as he bandaged me up. As soon as I stepped into school, my best friend made a beeline to me, waving her arms frantically. I really didn't want to deal with her right now.
OMG, what happened to your face? Also, why have you been ignoring my texts? Did you know Carter missed school too? Aiden was suspicious.
I'm sure he was. And yeah, because I'm living there for a few weeks. It actually felt good to talk to someone about it, although it was more like an investigation rather than a casual chit-chat.
You have got to be joking. You and Carter?
Does it look like I am?
What is wrong with you lately? This isn't the usual Lacey.
Aiden then materialized by my side, frowning as his eyes landed on my face.
Hey babe, why have you been dodging my texts? What did you do to your face?
Oh, she is PMSing right now. Don't bother speaking to her.
I winced at her voice. Mercedes always had a thing for Aiden, so when he asked me out, we had a major falling out. We were normal again, obviously, but I know she still resents me for saying yes. You know what? You and Aiden are so close. Why don't you?
Lacey, wait!
Aiden called behind me, but I did what I was best at. I ignored him and marched down the hall, walking straight out the exit. Thoughts of what happened 1 year ago kept swirling in my head. The night that ruined everything. I was so excited I could scream. I had been waiting for this day my entire life. I was finally 16, and tonight I would give something to Carter that I would never get back.
We all know I'm attractive, Lacey. No need to stare.
You wish. Carter then pulled me close to him and whispered,
Are you having fun?
Yes, it's been amazing.
Just wait, because it will only get better.
I gulped, my knees going weak. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I was so nervous that it was making me sick. It was about 11:30 when everyone had gone. Carter and I had finally started to head upstairs, but as I went to enter my room, Carter grabbed my hips and spun me around.
I love you, Lacey. I love you more than anything.
Before I could even say a word, Carter swooped me up and carried me into my room, gently shutting the door behind him.
Are you ready?
I've never been more ready in my life. With that, my birthday ended in the most amazing way possible. I woke up with a smile plastered across my face. I inhaled deeply, stretching out to Carter, but when I didn't feel a body next to me, I stiffened. My eyes snapped open. Carter? Huh, no sign of him. Where was he? I dragged my feet to my computer chair and logged myself onto Facebook. I went onto Carter's page just to see if he had a status or something, and my mouth fell open slightly at what I saw. He was tagged in a post at 2 a.m. this morning. He went to a party after we...